Okay, here's the grant contribution page, in this case, CatCat. There we have the activity, the description of the project, and then also all recent transactions. So you can check out who contributed and how much. Here we have the subscription, as mentioned beforehand, and also the contributions already existing, 33, and 3 active subscriptions. And there you can also see the amount of DAI who has been contributed. So it's quite a broad range. However, in average, it's not a really huge amount. What's interesting here is this area, as we mentioned, UX. Your contribution goes a long way. So here are proposals. If you contribute 1 DAI, then this will be the result from the matching pool. Of course, you can play around with it as well. And then if you go to fund this grant, you can choose how much you want to contribute. And what's important, this needs to be connected with your MetaMask wallet. And it's also important to check, sometimes this creates hiccups, that your MetaMask wallet is connected with Gitcoin, right? In case it isn't already connected, you have to connect it. And then you just choose how much you want to contribute. And this is also part of the information that is given. 5 DAI will result in 66 additional CLR match. If I now go for 10, I can increase. Go for 100, it's even more, and go for 1,000, it's even more. But if you take a look at it, it's not, let's say, a linear proportionally result. I go for, how much should I go for? 10. Then I can choose if it's recurring or if it's just one time. You can go for it's 6 times payment period, 30 days. And this would result in total of 60. However, if you look at the interface on the left, it doesn't matter if it's recurring or just a one-time contribution when it comes to the CLR matching. So I do a one-time contribution. This is additional information on how much you want to support or add as a support to Gitcoin, or it's a share basically. So 5% of those 10 DAI will go to Gitcoin. And then you choose the gas fee and just push contribute to grant. And then that's it. You have to confirm that at the MetaMask interface, I think twice. And then the transaction is running and hopefully confirmed in a couple of seconds. Let's take a look. Yeah, confirm. And that's it. So it's pretty straightforward, but the magic is, if I do it, it's okay. If we all do it, it really makes a difference. So I really invite you to contribute to CatCat, to contribute to the Common Stack, and hopefully we see in the next 16 minutes ago, 27 minutes ago. So there are already people currently contributing, and I hope we will see many more in the next minutes and days. Keep in mind, it's until 21st of January. And yeah, then hopefully we can do a lot of productive work for the token engineering community.